The Northwest Territories Cumulative Impact Monitoring Program is an environmental monitoring program funded by the Government of the Northwest Territories Department of Environment and Natural Resources. The vision of the program is to watch and understand the land so it can be used respectfully forever. The program collects and analyzes information related to caribou, water, and fish across the Northwest Territories. Cumulative impacts are changes in the environment caused by human activities and natural processes that add up over time. Understanding the cumulative impacts of human and natural changes on the environment allows communities and regulators to make good resource management decisions about the environment. In the Northwest Territories, cumulative impact monitoring is required by law. It is a key part in the gwich'in, Sawtooth, Clean land claim agreements, as well as the Mackenzie Valley Resource Management Act. The main purpose of the Northwest Territories Cumulative Impact Monitoring Program is to support better resource management decisions by monitoring cumulative impacts and environmental trends. The three key roles of the program are: number 1, working with partners to understand key monitoring and research priorities. Number 2, coordinating, conducting, and funding environmental monitoring, research, and analysis. And number 3, communicating results to regulators and the public. The Northwest Territories Cumulative Impact Monitoring Program promotes community involvement in environmental monitoring and training through its activities. A program priority is using traditional and local knowledge in the monitoring of cumulative impacts and environmental trends. The program is guided by a committee of First Nations, Métis, and Inuvialuit governments and organizations. Co-management boards also participate along with the federal and territorial governments and industry. Government of the Northwest Territories Department of Environment and Natural Resources staff administer the program and conduct monitoring. For more information, please visit www.nwtcimp.ca or call 867-767-9233. For monitoring results, visit the NWT Discovery Portal.